Signature Hairline Placement is a universal color application that allows you to create more impact around the face. Our model likes her lived-in color, but wants to keep her maintenance to a minimum. The hairline accent is a great way to do that. Her hair is a natural level 7 with pre-existing highlights. The goal is to freshen up her highlight and to cancel some pre-existing warmth. Find the desired part line, place your fingers 2 inches away from the forehead. Section out the hairline to the back of the ear on both sides. We use Sophistone Elite Powder for traditional lightening services and Elite Clay for freehand balayage in this application. Both lighteners lift up to 9 levels and include our built-in protection called Poly Shield. The recommended mixing ratio is 1:2. Starting from just in front of the ear, take diagonal back sections, working from the ear up to the recession line. Continue to work through the part line. Use a fine stitch highlight to create softness at the hairline. Once complete, repeat on the opposite side of the head. Now using Elite Clay for freehand balayage. Freehand a few pieces through the sides and the top to blend the hairline to the sides and back. Remember to check your foils during processing to ensure a more accurate and desired lift. To remove residual lightener and excess alkalis from the hair and scalp, we use carbonated shampoo. For optimum results and to maintain the client's hair's integrity, we use Repair Pro in between and at the end of the service. Repair Professional has 4 steps. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete and requires no wait time. It can be done after a color service, before a blowout, or as a standalone service. Step 1 primer and Step 2 internal repair were applied to treat hair before our Sophistone Demi application. The final step of this color application is the glaze. Sophistone Demi is an ammonia-free deposit-only liquid demi that's infused with coconut oil-based lipids and CPD technology to deliver more consistent and reliable results. Formula 1 is 1 part level 6 natural, 1 part level 8 violet mixed with processing lotion. A Milbon applicator brush is used for a precise application. Sophistone Demi's liquid gel consistency makes it easy to apply using bottle or brush. Formula 2, Sophistone Demi, Level 9 Violet and Clear is being used in equal parts on midshaft to ends. A detangling brush helps to blend formulas 1 and 2. After processing, rinse and lightly shampoo. Steps 3 and 4 of repair are applied. The massage technique is an imperative part of our professional treatment applications, helping to achieve long-lasting effects. Refer to our professional treatment videos for more in-depth application.